I'm sure you've heard that getting the values right is the key to making a painting read well, look like what it's supposed to look like. Colour's not so important, but getting the values is. But sometimes when you're painting in colour, it's really hard to tell if you're getting the values right. Well, I just discovered a really easy way to do that and I want to share it with you. Let's have a look. Okay, so I am painting this portrait of my daughter and the colour is, I'm happy with how it's coming along, but it's hard to tell whether I'm getting the values right. So I've got this reference photo that I'm using in colour and I've also got it in black and white on Photoshop that I can have a look at. But what I want to check is if I am getting the values right. And here's what I came up with. So everyone's got a smartphone, right? And my smartphone has a filter on it, which is a grayscale filter. I'm like, very cool. I can hold this over and see if what I'm seeing here compares to what I've got in the reference photo. I can see this is pretty good. I've got to do a bit of a shadow around here, which I knew, but otherwise that's pretty good. But down here on the jumper, let me just get this in frame so that you can see it. I can see, like, holding this over here and comparing it with the reference photo, I can see that I've made this bit up here a bit too dark. So really quick and easy way to check your values. If you've got a favourite way to do this, tell me about it down in the comments. I would love to hear some more tips and tricks that you have. And that's it for today. Susan Jones from Watercolor Newbies. I'll talk to you next time. Don't forget to like this video if it's been helpful, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Talk to you soon.